wrapping up the mobile rig here at Greg's garage. And well, check this out. Well, there we go, guys. Guy's name is Mike, and I've got the I don't know if we can see into the back there. Got my torch and mobile repair kit. Let's see if, can we flip this thing around? As I drove by this guy. Oh, I don't need that wire. That was just an old coat hanger. We'll see ya. All right, we'll see ya. Anyway, I passed him at lunch and he was trying to take a tire off his car, and I passed him again after I got off work. I thought, man, that guy's been out there for 5 hours trying to take a tire off his car. Something's wrong. I went up there and he had a lug nut just rounded off, bigger than you could ever imagine. I told him I'd run home and get my torch and get a couple other things, and oh man, we tried to heat it up and smash on some socket wrenches and everything else, and nothing would work. So I wound up pulling out the cutting torch and just literally just melting that lug nut into pieces. Took us about a good solid hour there to get that wheel off his car. But Mike's gonna be back on the road shortly. He just had to swap out tires there, and then he'll be ready to go. So anyway, do your good deed for the day, guys. I know it's not always the easy thing to do, pull over and help somebody, but I can tell you that guy sure does appreciate it. He's a mover. He works hard for a living and didn't have a bunch of extra cash to call a tow truck and do all that kind of stuff. I know where he's at because I've been there before. So anyway, I'll shut up now. Y'all have yourselves a good day.